Hey, it is 6:30 and I am already in bed. Why? Because I got up at 6 and I did 4 hours of hiking and climbing on the rocks and mountains and all the mountains, whatever. Climbing on the rocks. It's a wee bit windy. I had to restake the corner a couple times, so there's that. Nothing major happened today that was, bring this over here. Ooh. I think this is too heavy for the pocket. So I did my pizza. I did a video by the campfire, but I'm probably not gonna post that one because I was super annoyed by those flies that were like everywhere. I'm like, where are they coming from? I don't know. But so here we are. Tomorrow I leave. But there's a couple places that I want to go to. I'm gonna try and find like a really good restaurant that was that I read about, maybe for lunch. And then there's also this other place called Giant Rock. I'd like to go see that. It's supposed to be a giant boulder. I'm like, ooh, sounds exciting. So yeah. What else? Let's see. My dinner was super good. I did pizza, salad, and little chips. So yeah, that was delicious. It worked out really well too. So I just put the pizza, it was a flatbread, so it was rectangle. I put it on a piece of foil and then made like a pocket. So I left one side open so that I could see how it was doing. So I didn't have to keep on folding the foil. Set it on my tripod and put it next to the fire, and I just kept rotating it, and it turned out really good. So yeah, what's funny is I was thinking about this. It had a little bit of a campfire flavor to it. It was really quite interesting. So did my coffee. Campfire coffee. It's delicious. So yeah, overall, my couple nights, not too bad. It's all about preparation. It's all about, making sure you have what you need and all that. It's about planning for, what you're going to be doing. So I executed that very well. Let's see. So yeah, tomorrow's Saturday, back in PB. And yeah, so we will probably be doing a couple more videos before I head home. Hopefully I make it to Giant Rock. It used to be what I read, a Native American, like a sacred Native American place. I don't know. Pretty neat. So, but yeah. Windy. I don't care as long as it's not raining. Last night it was windy like this and it was raining. I was like, ugh. So I scraped my knee. Yeah, I scraped my knee. So that happened. I scraped it. I didn't fall. I was trying to squeeze past a rock between these two rocks like a slot. And I just brushed up against the rock. That's what I mean. It's rough. And I just, whoosh, I was like, oh, it didn't really bleed, but it did left a scrape. I'm okay though. Burnt my finger. Yeah, I grabbed something hot off the fire. So there's that. Other than that, I think I'm all right. All right, I am going to watch Netflix. This is the experience of camping. Netflix. All right, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Toodles.